Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. There is a new Work Plus Life line from the Happy Planner. I'm really excited about this one. So if you want to see everything that they sent me from that line, keep watching. So all of this will be available on the Happy Planner website on Tuesday at 9 a.m. Pacific time, this coming Tuesday, February 22nd. But they're also going to be in Joann and Hobby Lobby. Everything here, I don't know about this, but everything else I think is going to be in Joann and Hobby Lobby, except for the tote bag that is on the Happy Planner website only, as far as I know. So I have some codes for you. If you haven't watched any of my other videos, these are the codes. You can screenshot it. There's a cat hair on there, but you can save money if you use these codes. So don't forget. And also I have an affiliate link. I would appreciate it so much if you use my link if you're planning to purchase anything, on Tuesday. So thank you for that. And so let's get started. Oh wait, I have 2 more items here too. 3 more items here. Wow. Oh boy, it's been a day, you guys. Lots of stuff here. Okay, so first, all right, let's show you the tote bag first because I think this is really cool. Like I said, I got dirt on it. I'm almost positive that this is only going to be available on the Happy Planner website. So it's really big. It is like, I don't even know. Let's see. Do I have a ruler here? Can I measure it? Let's just grab a planner so I can show, well, we'll just grab one of these planners. So this is a classic size. So you can see how big this is, right? It's really big. So it's going to be very useful. It has a couple of pockets. I hope you guys can see this okay. I know it's like, under the camera on my desk, but it has like 2, okay, so this goes down there. This is loud, sorry. And then it's got like, this middle part is a pouch, and then it has 2 side areas that you can put stuff in, right? So this middle part, let's check it out. So this is just one big area, and I guess this is probably the best place we're going to put your planner for safekeeping, right? And then over here we have like a nice little pocket, and sorry this is really loud, but it's nylon, so it's like loud on the microphone probably. So we have one pocket inside, right? And then this snaps closed. It's like a magnetic closure. It's really nice. And then on this side, we have a zipper pocket over here. So there's lots of pockets. You can put your planner in there if you want. You can put sticker books in there, whatever. And then it has these side pockets here, one on each side. You can put water bottles in there, whatever you want. And then it has these 2 pockets as well. So there's a lot of pockets. It could be a planner bag. You could use this for other stuff though, because it's very like neutral and it looks just like a tote bag, right? So I think this is really cool and I'm glad they sent this to me. Yeah, so let's see. Maybe I'll put everything in that bag at the end. Okay, so let's check out the planner. I have not opened this yet, obviously, so I don't know exactly what it's gonna look like inside, but I think this is really cool. So if you didn't see my unboxing, so basically this new line is a more like professional line from the Happy Planner that's like, I don't know, it just feels more grown up. It's something you can take to work, and people won't really notice that it's like, anything different than a regular planner. But the good thing is it does have the discs, so you're able to still pull out the pages, but they're hidden, right? So this is the side of the planner. So really it's very minimal. They're silver metal discs and they're hidden in there. So I think it's great because it looks like not a disc planner, but it is a disc bound planner. So that's pretty cool. It feels really sturdy. I like the feel of it. I like the look of it. This is like a silver foil, very like minimal though, not like too shiny or anything. And then, sorry. Okay, so here's what it looks like inside. There is your name page, right? Oh, so the discs, wait, let me show you the discs. They're like those circle discs that have like the big hole in the middle. There's no hearts or anything because this is a different line completely. Okay, so here we have a calendar for you. And then accounts and passwords page. And then we have like year to glance pages like the regular Happy Planner. Okay, and then this is like your currently page for the month. It's very minimal. Like if you're somebody who gets annoyed with all the design on the page or whatever, this is going to be like your dream planner, I feel like. So this is going to go from July, wait, was this a 12 month? Yeah, this is going to go from July to June 2022, 2023. Here's your monthly, very plain, very, basic. And then, okay, this is a little bit different. So that was not your currently page before. That's just an extra note page, I guess. Okay, so this is going to be kind of your currently page, right? July goals, focus on important dates, to-do lists, and then, a piece of paper here that's just lined. Helpful tip, capitalize on the chance to multitask. And then this is what your pages are going to look like. They look a lot like the pages from like the other planners that we've seen this year. However, there's nothing in the middle. So if you're somebody who really liked that neutral vibe and like the plain pages, but you were annoyed by the little dots or the little stripes, like they don't exist, they're not there. Boom. So neutral lovers, you're going to like this one. And there's no quotes or anything on the bottom. So it's like really, really basic, right? So you can do what you want. And I like that, you guys. I like that. Okay, so it looks like these are going to be kind of the same. So I guess this is kind of your currently page because it's opposite your divider. But then you do have like those extra pages when you get into the month, which is kind of cool. So I'm not going to show you each month. They're going to be the same. Let's just show you the dividers here. You can and you will. See what happens if you don't give up. Great things never come from comfort zones. They all look kind of the same, right? Just a different quote. If you change nothing, nothing will change. Okay. And then don't forget to have fun. Live fully in the season you're in. Very black and white, right? For black and white lovers. Do the best, just do the best you can. A little progress each day adds up to big results. Stop wishing, start doing, and today can be your day. Okay, so we have that, and then we have a piece of note paper. And now we have some stickers. So it comes with some stickers. They're real, neutral and functional stickers. They're just like little bullet points, little checklists and stuff like that, boxes. I love this. I think this is really cool. And I was trying to figure out if you could change the discs or not. Like, I think you could, but I don't really have the answer to that yet. Anyway, this is like a folder. This is like a folder. Just a gray and black folder. Very simple, very neutral, right? So I like this line. I think it's a good idea. It's also probably good for, the men in your life who don't want to have like, a pink planner and stuff like that. This is really basic and something that really anybody can use. So I think this is really good. Okay. So I guess we should look at the big planner too. So that's the classic. They also sent me the big. Let's just go ahead and open this bad boy. This one is sealed. Okay, so it says 2022 and 2023. So this is like, I don't know if the camera picks up colors very well, but this is like almost a blush, but it's like kind of a cream. It's like a creamy, very light, maybe pale blush color, but I don't know, maybe it's not blush, but it just feels like a little bit warm, right? Let's check it out. So we have gold discs here. They're metal as well. So like brass, they're warm, gold, like brass colored discs. That's the word I was looking for. I just did a flip through of like a sticker book and I saw this color foil, and I couldn't remember the name of the word. I guess it's brass. So it's going to be the same, I think. I think it's going to look the same as far as like setup and everything. Let's just take a look real quick. Yeah. They're going to be the same. So I'm just going to show you the dividers here. They have, that one had the foil on it, a little progress each day. So these are like the same quotes, I guess, but that came with a little goodie. But like, they're just not laid out the exact same because the other ones had the lines down. These have the lines across, right? So, and these are like in pretty blush colors. I guess like more an off-white. I don't know. It's hard to tell under my lights. I'd have to look at it in like daylight. So this is what they look like. I'm sorry I'm not reading them all. Got a lot of flip throughs to get through, you guys. They sent me a lot of product this time, which is awesome, but it's also like creates a lot of work. So I need to go a little bit quicker, I think, this time, and I haven't been. I've been doing my thing, you know. Okay, so this is what your sticker page is going to look like. For this one, this is like a copper foil down here. So, you know, this isn't copper colored, but it's copper stickers. Okay, so then this is what your folder looks like. And then that's it. Very clean looking, very minimalistic. I think this line is going to do really well. So yeah, there you have that one. And the planner feels real good. It's like smooth. It just feels nice. It's not like, I don't know, it just has a good feel to it, and it feels pretty sturdy and like solid and good quality. So I like that. All right. Let's check out what else we have in this line. So here we have some sticky notes and flags. Let's take a look. So this is like a little booklet, right? Stay humble and take notes. Ooh, that's pretty. So we have notes that has like rose gold foil kind of, I think. And then today, I love this color. This is pretty. And then like these colors. So they're functional little flags and stuff. I think they're cute. All right. And now we've got these bookmarks. I'm not going to open these up. Basically, they look like this. This week, this month, and notes. And then they each have like a little quote on the bottom. They are clear. There's paper in between to make them look white, but they are clear. Okay, now we have a little sticker book. So if you didn't see my unboxing video, this is a different sort of presentation of stickers, right? It's like different than what we've seen before from the Happy Planner. So they're very functional stickers here. Well, let's just go through them. I'll show them to you. So, but they flip. I don't know quite how to flip these the right way, but we have some circles. They're very neutral. Some corner stickers there. I guess I'll just keep going this way. Some bullet points. Some little like flaggy things. What are those called? I don't know. Little flags. These are my favorite. Look, it looks like a honeycomb. And what are these? Oh, these are like tiny, teeny tiny little. Look at those. Oh my gosh, they're cute. So we have this pretty like blush colors, and these are clear. Those ones were on paper. These ones are on clear. We have teardrops and little half circles, bullet points. So we've got blush and grays and like dark gray and black, just like really basic neutral colors that are going to be really useful, I think. So I like that. It says, without risk, there would be no magic. Okay, you guys, I thought this was a planner pouch. I don't think it's a planner pouch. I actually tried to put the planner in there. I'm like, no, this is not. I don't think it's a planner pouch, unless maybe you could put like a mini in here. But I think this is like a pouch for other stuff, like your stickers and stuff like that. Like, that's what I think this is for. Now, don't hold me to that, because I don't always have all the information about each of these products when I do these, but I think it's like for putting other stuff in. Because like, I was like, oh, we could put the planner in there. No. The planner's like, no, it's not going to fit. Do you see what I mean? So if you thought it was a planner pouch, I'm just telling you right now, it's not for this planner anyway. So I just want to clear the air with that. Like when I did the unboxing, I was like, yeah, this is a planner pouch, but that won't fit. Okay, but that's really cute. I like that a lot. They call it a large pouch. Okay. Let's check out this little sticker pack. It's just called Stickers, Work Plus Life stickers. Okay. So these are on clear sticker paper. These are very functional, like gold foil, travel, important, bill due, top task. They even have a happy hour one. We have 2 pages of those. And then these ones are like also clear, but they're like a blush color. I'm going to put this here. I know that's probably going to make you cringe, but yeah, so that's like a blush color. That's really pretty. It's like clear. So I guess these are all the same. I can read them too. Like priority, meeting, appointment, day off, top task, to do, happy hour, travel, important, and bill due. And then these are like little, just little ones that have like that little thingy on it, a little triangle. What the heck are they called? I don't know. Anyway, these are like clear as well, but they're black. I think that's cool and like kind of chic, right? And then we have more of like this light pink, and then we have this darker pink. I think that's really fun. They're all clear stickers, so I think that's really fun. I'll put it in my pouch. Let's put all the stuff in my pouch. Okay. We'll put these in my pouch too. Will they fit? Oh, if I took them out of the thing, they would. Let's take them out so I can put them in the pouch. No, you know what? I'm going to leave them in because I don't know if I'm going to use these or not. And I'd rather do like a giveaway with those or something. I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do with those, but anyway. Okay, so let's see what else. We have a calendar extension pack for Work Plus Life. It's for the big. And I don't know that I'm going to open this because it really looks very similar to all these other stuff in the planner. You've got pages. I think it's probably 6 months. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So 6 months. It comes with stickers that have like, dates on them. So you can date it. And it also comes with those functional stickers from that pack, in gold. So, and it's going to be, and it has a folder. So it's going to be like the same type of thing. So I don't think I need to open it. The cool thing about this is it's like, has this plastic on the top that's not super like shiny, and it feels good. It feels like soft and supple. I don't know. It's just like, because it's a different line, it just feels a little bit different, a little more high end, I think. All right. So that is everything that the Happy Planner sent me in this line. I think it's a really cool line. I'd love to know your thoughts. Like, what do you think of this Work Plus Life? Like, is it like something that you would enjoy, or is it something that you think is, maybe useful for someone else? Or do you just like, you're just like, I'm over this neutral stuff? I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. And again, don't forget to shop on Tuesday morning at 9 a.m. Pacific time, 12 p.m. Eastern time for those of you who are out my way. And that's it. Check out the other squad members' flip throughs for their stuff that they got, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.